Hi guys, so I am out today at a training. I'm actually technically in the media center, but I have to do this, what I'm sure will be a riveting, exciting training. So you are kind of on your own today, except what we're doing is super simple. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the website, www.mkbaker.net, right? And then we're in physical science, and guess what? We just finished the forces unit, so now we're on the energy and work unit. So if you open up energy and work and look at today's date, then you'll see three things that you have to do today. The first is this reading quiz on your reading from after the test. Then the next thing is this virtual lab where you're going to go to this simulation, and you will end up looking at various forms of energy and how energy is transformed and transferred to different objects. You're also going to make a foldable. There is one on display that I made, and for each section you're going to have the the 7 forms of energy on your foldable, and then you're also going to have one section for energy transformations on your foldable. That's going to be the titles that go on the outside. Then when you open that up, on the inside you should have a definition, an example, and a picture for each form of energy. Now, once you are done with this, also, just so you know, you're going to go to, for that PhET simulation, you can just go to phet.colorado.edu, and it will pull up this beautiful site, and you just go play with simulations, because that's what we're doing. And this is a physics simulation, so it might be easy to find there. And oh, look, work, energy, and power. So we'll click there, and all you have to do is go to this energy forms and changes and hit play. It'll probably ask you some crazy things, but there are no viruses, I promise, not here. And you'll open up the simulation to complete your whole worksheet. Now, once you're done with that, you will need to turn in your worksheet to, sorry, my puppy's shaking, to the sub. You're going to get a grade for that. And then you'll have one more worksheet on Chapter 4, Section 1 on the different forms of energy. And I wanted to see if on that worksheet there are a few calculation problems, but I just wanted to see if you could do those, because I think you can. Okay, so with this simulation, you'll notice that we start like in the intro. You can just kind of like play with some things, heating, cooling, all that kind of stuff. But really what we're interested in is this energy systems. And we have all these different systems along the bottom. And we have all these different different devices that can collect the energy somehow. And then you have different things that you're going to power. Maybe light bulbs, different types of light bulbs, heating water, all of that. So once you've gone through the instructions on the simulation, or on the simulation worksheet, and done this simulation, then make your foldable, turn those things in, and then you'll do that one worksheet that we have. Okay, if you have any questions, you can email me. My email address is up on the board, as always, and it is mbaker@wcpss.net. Okay, well, enjoy class today. Be awesome as usual, right? And I will see you in a couple days. All right, bye.